Good morning, boys and girls. This is language lesson 151. Please take out a paper and pencil. Write the words down. Put them in alphabetical order by writing the number next to it. If you need to pause the video, you may do so. Notice the names that are being used. In today's lesson, they are using names of constellations. In our language papers, our topic is space, if you haven't noticed. So today we were to talk about comets, okay? Constellations. If I find a video, I will post it for your later viewing, okay? I'm going to move the paper up. If you need to pause the video, please do so. That's better. Okay, and we begin. We're going to put these words in alphabetical order. We have been talking about the dictionary and the different things that we do in a dictionary. What are some ways that a dictionary can help you? It can show you the definition of words, what words mean. It can show you how to spell a word correctly. It also shows you what part of speech the word belongs to. It shows you how to pronounce a word correctly. And a dictionary also shows you how to use the word correctly by giving you examples, sentences. So, number one, hope you already did it. Number one will be Aries. Number two, Columbia. Number three, Hercules. And number four, Perseus. All constellations. The next group. Number one, Capricorn. Number two, Capricornus. Number three, Carina. Number four, Chameleon. And number five, Cygnus. Let's move on to our page. Our page is lesson 151. And at the top it says glossary. A glossary is an alphabetical list of important or unfamiliar words from a book. A glossary of words and their meanings is found at the end of the book. Some glossaries include examples and pictures. Look for a glossary at the back of a science book, a history book, or even some reading books. Even our math books has a glossary. Think A. Use the glossary in the back of your language book 3, which you don't have, to answer each question. Find the word fact and write the definition. Write one fact as a complete sentence. So, since you guys do not have your language book, this is I believe that at the beginning of the year we ripped out those pages, but okay, in our language book. So this is our language book. And in the back of our language book, we have our glossary. And we're going to look for the word fact. Right. We have our glossary in the back of our language book, and we're going to look for the word fact. The fact. A fact is something that is true and can be proven. Where do you find that? You're going to find it in the book on page 110. Then it gives you a sentence. Each morning, the sun rises in the east. That is a fact. That is not going to change. That would always be the same. So, find the word fact and write the definition. What is the definition? Something that is true and can be proven. Something that is true and can be proven. Write one fact as a complete sentence, and we could use the same sentence that the book gave us. Each morning the sun rises in the east. Each morning the sun in the east. That is a fact. The moon orbits the earth. The earth orbits the sun. Yes? The ocean is salty. My dog has a wet nose. Find proofreader marks and draw the following in the boxes. Insert. Capitalize. Lowercase. Delete. Spelling mistake. Next, find the word verb and write 3 sample verbs. So we're going to look for the word verb in our glossary. And it's right here, verb. A verb is a word that usually shows action. You can find it on page 82. See also action verb, non-action verb, and helping verb. Jump, hike, wish. And write 3 sample verbs. And they were jump, hike, and wish. Write the pronouns that are used in the predicate part of the sentence. Write the pronouns that are used in the predicate part of the sentence. Me, you, her, it, us, him, them. Last part. The entries in glossaries are in alphabetical order. Number the 4 space words in alphabetical order. and I'm going to go over this. I'm going to give you credit during our meet. So make sure that you have your language page with you. See you at the meet. Bye.